Welcome to Regeneration Biology. Human endothelial cells. Human endothelial cell medium is a complete medium designed for the culture of human endothelial cells. It was tested and optimized with human endothelial cell growth and proliferation in vitro. It is formulated for use with 5% CO2 and 95% air in a humidified incubator. Brain and liver cell-derived factors are required for growth of human endothelial cells in serum-free culture. GFP expressing human liver sinusoidal endothelial cells, brand, Regeneration Biology packaging, tubes per pack. Product format, proliferating culture. Storage requirement, 37 degrees Celsius C0. Incubator. Cells number, greater than 90% confluent in T25 flask, order now.